Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem will be solved on calculation of input tax credit. Kindly watch the video till the end, like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. It's a problem on computation of net GST liability. The question is from the following. Let me stretch this one here. From the following information of Selco Parle Limited, Bangalore, for the month of May 2021, compute input tax credit and amount of GST payable, purchases, A. Purchase of raw material A from a supplier in Bangalore, rupees 5 lakhs, at 12% GST. Next, B. Purchase of raw materials B from a supplier in Mumbai, rupees 30 lakhs, at 12% GST. Next, sales A. Sales of rupees 22 lakhs within the state at 18% GST. B. Sales of rupees 22 lakhs within the state at 18% GST. So now from these details, we are required to compute the amount of the GST payable here. So solution here. So first we need to compute the output tax liability. So computation of output tax liability name of the assessee, this is Parle Limited, Bangalore. So here let me insert this is for the month of May 2021. So let me insert 4 columns here. Particulars CGST in rupees. Next, SGST in rupees, then IGST in rupees. So now let's begin here. So tax on sales within the state, so it is 12% of rupees 22 lakhs. Yeah, it's 22 lakhs into 1/2, because this is the rate of GST will be same here, so 22 lakhs you can calculate it as 6% also. So this comes to rupees 1,98,000. Here also 1,98,000. So now similarly we have got one more here, that is the same tax on sales within the state. Again that is also same here. It is not 12%, this is 18%, sorry, 18%. So because the rate of GST on output tax is 18%, so 18% here, so 18% of rupees 22 lakhs multiplied by 1/2, so it comes to here rupees, it remains same, 1,98,000. So when we take up the sum of this year, the total output tax liability will be rupees 3,96,000. 3,96,000, here also 3,96,000. Similarly, we should compute computation of input tax liability. So let me insert the same 4 columns here. Particulars, CGST, SGST, IGST. So now tax on raw material A from Bangalore. So here it is CGST, 12% of rupees. So the worth of the purchase made here is rupees 5 lakhs multiplied by 1/2, because the rate of CGST remains same here. So 12% of 5 lakhs comes to 60,000. So 60,000 divided by 2 means here it is 30,000. So 30,000. Then the next one, similarly, tax on raw material B from Mumbai, so on which IGST is payable. So the rate of IGST here is 12%. So 12% of rupees 12% of 30 lakhs. So comes to here 3,60,000. So the total input tax liability rupees 30,000, rupees 3,60,000. Then now we need to find out the net tax liability here. So computation of net tax liability. So let me insert again 4 columns here. Particulars, CGST, SGST, IGST. So output tax liability. So we have calculated output tax liability as 3,96,000. So here also 3,96,000. So there is no any IGST payable here. So let me less input tax liability. So now here it is 30,000. Here also it is 30,000. So IGST it is 3,60,000. So 3,60,000. So now let's find out the difference here. That is 3,66,000. Here it is 3,66,000. So now here the dealer can enjoy input tax credit of 60,000. So the tax liability here less set off of input tax credit. So now you can see here we have got a IGST credit here. That we can also say the minus here. So that is which is paid here. So we can claim here on first CGST here. So it can be claimed fully here. That is 3,60,000. Then there is no any CGST credit here. So just let's put a dash here. Then in case of IGST it is completely utilized now. So this 3,60,000 we are going to utilize here. So when we take the difference here, the net GST liability will be rupees, here it is 6,000 he has to pay CGST, and whereas he has to pay 3,66,000 as SGST, but in case of IGST nothing is there here. So this is how we need to compute the net tax liability, by utilizing the IGST, the credit here. So let me make these things bold here, it will be more clear here. Central alignment, what I'm doing here now. So this is a very simple question here. So whenever the question comes like this here, first we should compute the output tax liability, then we should compute the input tax liability, then we can easily find out the net GST liability here. So, thank you for watching this.